welcome back to another Minecraft video. Thunder here. Like I said, Minecraft video. Today we are okay. Yeah, thanks. Random game you are no. Yeah. If you couldn't tell by the first part where everything started dropping out of the sky, we're doing random blocks coming out of the sky. And I'm talking obsidian, I'm talking sand. If we're lucky enough, maybe even diamonds. I don't know. But yeah. I'm just gonna get all this coal and gonna get all this wood and I'll be back in a bit. Yeah, I got 5 pieces of wood. This is gonna take a while to make. It's really hard to make a well. Don't really need emeralds. There's no villagers or anything like that. And well, look at that. We have not made it yet. You know what? I'm just gonna put you there. Yeah, I'll be back in a bit. And it's finished. And if you're wondering why this water stream is just doing that, because if we accidentally say we fall off, you could go like that, and I'm just going to jump off because it's easier. And yeah, keep inventories on. If you just wanted to know that, okay. Yeah, so, oh yes, thank you, magical god of Minecraft. Drop a thing that drops loads of items. Thank you for giving me a light source. Oh, yep. Oh, no. What is useful in my inventory? Yes! You see, this is why this is such a cool map. You can literally get diamonds in about 3 minutes. So, you know what? I've not even stuck to the Minecraft basics in this. And I like the Minecraft basics, but when you've got this, the Minecraft basics aren't even a thing. Because you get diamonds before you even make a crafting table. It doesn't really make sense. Well, it makes sense, but it doesn't make sense. If you know what I mean, yeah? Yep. Yeah, leave a like, subscribe, tap the bell, notifications. Hey! Wait, what was that? Got quartz. I could make a dinosaur bone. But then again I can't, because I've only got one. Can you please drop some leaves? Oh, you are. Yep. No! Oh, there's wood. No, I don't need that. Yay! A flower? No, that's not a flower. Leaf and coral. Well, don't need a leaf. I'm kind of... Thank you, Minecraft gods, the dropper of all times, for giving me this. Now, I could probably build my house out of these if I wanted to. I don't need terracotta. Who needs terracotta? Apart from people that like to build a house out of terracotta. I'm just gonna make you. And I'm just gonna... Yep. Thank you, sir. Oh! No! Where did they go? I did my hands. I'm just gonna make a mini farm. Yeah. So I began to make a mini farm, and then I saw this. A block of gold. So I'm just gonna... Give me the gold. All I want is the gold. No, I need to keep... No! I need to keep those diamonds. Why is there a blade of grass? And are we just going through the same thing? Where is the gold? Give me gold. Please give me gold. I'll be back once the gold's come in my inventory. Bad news. I could not get the gold. Yes! Why did you have to do that? As soon as I started recording and I couldn't get it out, you did the right thing. And I don't need that. Actually, yeah, I do. I shouldn't have thrown it into the... Oh, no. That was my fault. Shouldn't have thrown it into the void, though. I mean, like... Who doesn't like gold? Eh? Yeah, I know. It might be one of the worst Minecraft tools in the history of Minecraft. Worse than wood. But... You know... Things are good in Minecraft. Even things that you don't like gold ingots and gold swords and yay, some more gold. I don't know why there's so much gold. Oh, can you just please give me another diamond block? That would be so good, Minecraft gods. Come on, you can do it. Come on! Yep, that's not gonna work. At least drop a diamond. Oh, what was that? Some more boring stuff. I think this is a good place to... Yep. As I was saying, I think I can make this a little bit longer. I'm gonna grow some potatoes. How did that not kill me straight away? I thought that was a lava then. Don't know why I got mixed up with... What is that? I'm just gonna keep you because I can build the ender portal and... Yeah, but just gonna plant these first, if you know what I mean, and yay, vines. Well, you know, they're good for decoration, so yes, what a yeet. Now whenever I fall off, why did I fall off as soon as I said fall off? Why did I even make a diamond sword? We need to make a diamond pickaxe. Yay, I picked up the right tool. I don't need that. Yeah. Oh, why am I looking in there? I need a pickaxe. Yep. And there we go. I think this is a good place to end off the video here. When I say end of the video, why does good stuff keep appearing? Why? Why did I just throw that off the edge? Oh no. Well, lesson learned, I guess. Always check before you throw. Anyway, I think this is a good place to end off the video. And why? Just why? Why is there always good stuff appearing in... Oh, not again. Seriously? I guess that's good for decoration, so... Yeah, I might have made the wrong choice there. But, yeah, like I was saying, don't drop another good thing. I think this is a good place to end off the video. And, yep, I'm gonna end off the video here. Yep. See ya later, buddy. See ya.